Basically, you open your Safari browser, type in freepik.com or wherever you go to find your background. You don't necessarily have to use this, and you type in whatever background you want. But I couldn't find my background on here, so I actually had to go find it on Google, and I did find it on there. Go into your gallery, click the picture, click edit, crop it to whatever you need to crop it to. Now you open the app Phonto, you click plain image or photo albums, which I click plain image, and you're going to go up there where it has the measurements and change the measurement size. You're going to click use and save. Now you're going to click add image. And you're going to click the background you chose, which mine was a black glitter background. And you're just going to change the size until it fits the background, which may take a long time. Once you're done fitting the size of the background, you're going to click add text. Type in subscribe. You could put an emoji if you want to. Doesn't necessarily have to be the one. And you're going to change the size of it and the style, which I just so happen to choose white and green. Now that you're done adding subscribe, you don't necessarily have to add an image, but I personally wanted to. Once you click on your gallery and you click your image, it's going to ask you, do you want to keep the photo as the same or change the shape of the photo? Here I'm just adjusting the text size of subscribe and social media. It could be as big, as small as you want it to be to your personal liking. It all depends on what you want. Now that you're done adjusting your image, the sizes and everything, you want to save the image to your phone and click into the app called PocketVideo. If you don't have it, it's for free on Apple.
Wake up in the morning, I got murder on my what I'll do you. Stop all that flagging shit, you just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no cat shit. You just be on that acting shit. You just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no cat shit. You just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no cat shit. You just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no cat shit.